wonderful viewers. Welcome to Halfring Films, and I'm by the name Eugenia Nana Ama B. Brahma Jr., popularly known as Vic. Today, I'm here to interview our cast from Halfring Films. But before that, let's go for a quick commercial break. We shall be right back. Hello viewers, welcome back. Welcome to my studio, Dhot.
Thank you.
Dhot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what is this?
Just for fashion, I'm in black and white fashion, so got to hold this.
Oh, okay. That's very nice. So, Dhot. Who is Dhot? Or the name is not yours. You went and bought it from a boutique.
Nah, that's my name.
It's your name.
Yeah.
Given by your parents?
No, from the streets where I come
From the street?
Yeah.
Or you saw it on the wall, then you said,
nah.
Let me use this name.
I'm a kind of person, I'm a street boy, so I'm always in the street. I depend on the street.
Do you sleep there?
Sometimes.
You sleep at the street?
Yeah.
Come.
If only says something beneficial out of that street, I'll sleep there. Nah. I can say I'm best known in the street, and that's why I make a living.
Okay. You are best known in the street,
and that's why I make a living.
So Dhot, where do you come from?
I'm just a young boy, upcoming artist. I do music, I act.
Sorry, what kind of music do you?
Okay, I'm an Afrobeat, Afro-pop artist.
Can you give me one of your music?
Okay.
Viewers, are you ready?
I said, I'm a musical vocal now.
But Mr. Wadaruma.
Okay.
And you know if you are saying,
see, me and no say so, Nico B. Oh my girl, you for cool for the boy, you. Very soon, no. Anything you they want to go do.
Okay.
Me and no say so, Nico B. Oh my girl, you for cool for the boy, you.
Now, Dhot. Like, who free him?
It's mercy boy.
Ashtown,
yeah. But mostly, so I'm so much street, so PZ.
Yes. But Dhot, how did you get to African face? How? Why do you go? And then so your school no mommy do go and say my register.
I make crabby kai.
Hey.
Okay, I can just remember like we went for some audition with could you wake up and call you 18. Shouts to one of two people would be. I'm introducing me to Halfway Flames.
Where?
Nah, I won't mention names. Yes, I said me hype job. We pay free hype.
So it's a business now, you're not a shout out now.
Nah, me and this. So through them, I said two guys speak. I'm gonna introduce me to Halfway Flames. When I joined now, I feel cool.
But Dhot, did you go to school? Excuse me.
School with them Kobe.
I want to go in.
Oh, send me to us.
What was it?
I feel I'm married. Okay, SHF. Yeah.
Immediately you see camera in front of you as you are sitting, how did you feel?
Oh, I'm a kind of person, say, I already told you, say I do music. And sometimes someone say I try music videos and things. I'm used to the camera. You get that? So I was cool. I feel cool whenever I mean. Because
that one will not be your first time.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did Miss Ronnie say if I say camera too.
When you put a grandpa there.
So
hey, Miss Ronnie, I'm going to work. Okay, Dhot, what do you like about the character you play?
Oh, I can say the role I'm playing, like I feel cool on it. Maybe a street boy that.
Well, I mean, we only super. Na Masachi will be so much and girls president.
That's cool. So, I'm lying at 19. 9 years, something new moment. I was cool.
Now, Dhot, maybe so question you. Is it the money that you are having, or is it because you are a game boy, or how did you get that your fiancé, Kira baby?
Oh. She's not my girlfriend.
She's not your girlfriend?
Yeah. Like we are just into business.
She's not your girlfriend?
It's a business dating.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a business dating.
Yeah.
But I see the relationship between both of you. If someone is watching the movie, the person will say that, That's Dot One's girlfriend.
Yeah.
Because
But
even me
she's not my real girlfriend. Don't let my friend.
No, in the movie.
Okay, yeah. But I can see.
We are talking about perfect things.
Alright, I can say, to me, she's not that my girlfriend. My girlfriend is money. Money, I love money.
So you are just.
But Hiba was just my business mate.
Okay. But Dot One, apart from that movie, do you have a girlfriend? Don't tell me you don't have a girlfriend as a street boy. You may have cows like.
That's why I said I have a girlfriend. That's what we call money.
Money.
I can choose one city over a girl.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey!
I love money.
So who is your role model?
Okay. To me, I don't.
Who is your role model?
I look up to myself and God.
Yeah. But you wish someone to be your role model?
Oh, sure. If you like my lifestyle, you can.
I'm not sure be a street boy in the
But to me, I motivate some of the street boys too. I earn them a living. They get something to feed themselves. Okay. And I some money a day. So what do I need to do so they have?
Okay. So after acting perfect things, what advice or what comment did you get from everyone?
Okay.
Those watching.
You know, like most people didn't know say I'm doing that kind of acting and stuff. They only know I did music. I only do music.
Okay.
So the very moment they saw me on YouTube, they were saying, "Yo, some called me. Boy, I saw you on YouTube. I have films. What's up?" I said, "Yeah, that's my new thing." I said, "Wow, it's dope too."
Since as a street boy like you, having a music or being in the music industry at the same time acting, only one person doing this job. What advice are you going to give to them, especially those who live on the street?
To me, I'll just tell them to keep on whatever they are doing. They should keep focused and always be safe. That's it. Get me? Whatever you do to get your living, get money, just do it. But make sure say you are safe. That's it.
Can you say something to your girlfriend?
Nah. Okay. Shouts to money. Money, maybe Bank of Ghana. The money in that account, Bank of Ghana. And I'm just telling that account, the money that they should look up to me. I'm searching for them.
The money in the bank should look up to you.
Yeah.
Because I'm searching for the money.
Yeah, they should come to me.
Okay, money in the Ghana commercial bank.
Nah. That big me pay commercial bank. I'm scanning sir.
Hey, no paying for.
Sure.
Remember about you there.
Come here and side here.
Sir. Okay. Thank you very much, Dot One. But before you go, can you say shout out to 5 people that you know?
Shouts to my management team. Shouts to DF Music. And shouts to everyone supporting Happy Films too.
Okay.
Yeah, I won't mention names, so I just
tell them to keep on watching.
Yo.
Whilst they're watching, they should go and subscribe.
Alright.
Like it, share it.
Well, okay, I go by the name Dhot and just go to YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Happy Films. Charlie Perfect Things is out. Sure.
Thank you, Dot One. Have a nice day.
Thank you too.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching this interview. But don't forget to go to YouTube, search for Half-Frame Films, and watch Perfect Things. Don't forget, like it, share, subscribe, and even add comment to it because there are more to come. And this movie is very interesting. Love you all. Bye bye.